This is insane, guys. I just created this amazing looking WordPress Elementor website for a plumbing company using Claude AI. And the crazy part, it's fully editable in Elementor. And no, I didn't spend hours dragging and dropping elements or watching endless YouTube tutorials. I simply took an image inspiration, which is easily available on platforms like Pinterest, Figma, Dribble, or Behance, and prompted Claude AI, and it did all the heavy liftings for creating WordPress website for me. So even if you are a complete beginner, you can do this. And if you are a freelancer or local business owner looking to build a professional website, this video could be a game changer for you. So let's get started. I have already downloaded my image inspiration. As you can see, it's for plumbing business and it's looking nice and professional. And also I have downloaded the hero section background image of this particular image inspiration. As you can see over here, I have used ChatGPT and extracted that particular image background from the website mockup, as you can see over here. Okay, and it's looking into high quality and crisp and clear. Amazing. So we are now ready to convert this image inspiration into a fully working WordPress Elementor website. For that, we will use Claude AI, and after that simply attach this particular image inspiration into Claude Chat. After that, make sure to find the link into the description for this blog, which contains optimized prompt for image to HTML website conversion. Okay, simply copy this prompt and after that go to Claude AI and paste that prompt into it. Okay, and into the business details you can simply manually put those business details if you have any customized request for the website. What this prompt basically says that use this particular business detail and image inspiration and convert it into a fully working HTML, Tailwind CSS and JS website. Okay, for the business side details I'm gonna put that pick from image inspiration because I don't want to fill them manually. And at the end of the prompt I'm gonna put a simple text that please use this image for hero section background image. Okay, and after that I will put an image URL which I will upload into my WordPress admin dashboard. So let me simply follow those steps. Let's go to media library and let me select the hero section background image we downloaded. And once that's get uploaded, let's go to library and let me simply copy the image URL from here. And after copying the image URL, let's go to Claude and paste it here and done. After that we have an optional line to add that only white theme background to create this website, or you can simply write that please don't use dark theme background. Okay, it's fully optional. And after that hit enter and Claude will do all the heavy liftings and create an amazing looking HTML website out of this image inspiration. As you can see, our files are ready. You can simply download them manually one by one for the HTML, CSS and JS files, or you can simply click on this download all and it will zip the files together and give you a zip file which can be easily extracted. And after that we can simply open our index.html from here to view our website. As you can see, our website is ready and it's looking amazing. Okay, overall, but there are some little flaws. For example, there is lots of this left side spacing on the hero section. Also the about us section image is missing. So I have taken the screenshot and I am giving this to Claude AI and simply asked to fix this issue. Okay, now Claude will do all the heavy liftings and create the fixed version of our website. So let me simply download the zip file again and let me simply extract and open the index.html again to view our website and see if it's get fixed. Okay, check this out guys, this is insane. I mean, just look at this. We just got our website ready from an image inspiration within minutes. Okay, and it's fully inspired from our image inspiration we have provided to Claude, and we are now ready to convert this amazing looking plumbing website into a fully working WordPress Elementor website which will be fully editable with Elementor native elements. Okay, so in order to do that, let's go to Claude AI again, and after that let me simply attach the HTML website files with along with the CSS, JS of course. Okay, and after that let's go to one of my another blog which I will put the link into the description as well, and let's go and copy our prompt from there. Okay, so here is our prompt that please convert the attached HTML, CSS and JS website into a fully working WordPress Elementor website using native Elementor elements. Okay, and after that simply paste this prompt and hit enter. And now Claude will do all the heavy liftings and convert this HTML website into a fully working WordPress Elementor template along with the additional CSS which we are supposed to add into WordPress customizer. Okay, meanwhile let me show you how can you buy domain and hosting to install WordPress and follow the tutorial along. So you will find the best buy link into the description with the guide, and simply click on visit hostinger on that guide and you will be land on this hostinger page. And after that simply click on view plans button and you will be able to see all the available hosting plans for the hostinger. There are multiple plans available, but I will simply suggest you to go with either business plan or unlimited plan because they offer the feature of hosting multiple website together on one single plan. Okay, and also you will get a domain free for 1 year with lots of AI features included like Node.js website hosting and all. Okay, so let me simply choose the unlimited plan because it's on a huge sale right now, and on the next page you will be able to select the plan duration. I will suggest you to go with at least 12-month plan so that you will be able to claim one free domain along with your plan. And the highest plan, the more durable plan you will select, the more discount you will be able to claim. For example, the 12-month plan has less discount plus, but if you will select 48-month plan, you will gonna get a use discount on it. Okay, and after that simply click on continue button and you will be able to register using your email and password. And after registration you will be able to make the payment and install the WordPress in one single click. If you will need the tutorial on how to install WordPress using hostinger, simply let me know and I will put that link into the description as well. Okay, I have already installed the WordPress on my subdomain, so I'm gonna go into my WordPress admin dashboard and guide you guys for the next steps. Okay, so let me simply go to appearance and themes, and after that click on add theme, and here search for Astra theme simply. Okay, because it is one of the most popular lightweight theme which is amazing in terms of speed and customization options. Simply search and install the Astra theme, and after that let me simply activate it and we will be done with the theme part. After that let's go to plugins and let me install one of the most popular page builder of WordPress named Elementor, and it's for a good reason because it lets you create amazing looking WordPress website using simple drag and drop elements. Okay, so let me simply search Elementor over here and let me click on install now. And after that let's activate the plugin and we are done guys. Okay, now we are ready to create our page. Okay, so let's go to pages and after that click on add page and let's create a page over here. Let's name our page as home and let me click on publish button, and after that let's click on edit with Elementor. On the next page, I will suggest you to select the page layout to Elementor canvas so that we can get rid of the header on the top and the title on the top because it's looking ugly obviously. Okay, so let me simply go to page settings and let's scroll down and select the page layout to Elementor canvas, and after that let me simply click on the publish button so that we will have a clean page. Okay, amazing. So our page has been published and Claude has completed its work and we got our Elementor JSON file ready along with the additional CSS. Okay, so let me simply click on the download all and let me simply download the zip file and I'm gonna unzip it and let's proceed with the Elementor JSON template upload. Okay, let me go to the templates and after that let me select the upload template option over here and let's select our file. And here it is. Let me select this one and after that click on open button and let's enable an import with the continue and let's insert our template. Amazing. but it's definitely not looking like our HTML version. No issue. Let me simply publish the page and let's open the WordPress customizer. Let me simply open my custom CSS file. You can use any code editor to open the file. I am using VS over here. Okay, let me simply copy the CSS code and let's go to additional CSS of the WordPress and let me simply paste that. And after that, click on publish button and check this out, guys. Our website is looking amazing. It's fully transformed, and as you can see, it's completely mobile friendly in terms of menu and everything else because it's using native Elementor elements. Okay, and check this out, guys. Our website is looking stunning. There are some little flaws. For example, this should be centered, so no issue. Let me simply refresh the edit with Elementor page. Okay, there is an image placeholder for the about section. No issue, we'll put that as well. So our Elementor page has been open. So let me simply select this text editor and let's go to style and let's do it center. Okay, so our styling will be fixed for that. And after that, let's so this service is into 2 rows and 3 columns of each row. Okay, so let's go to edit with Elementor and let me simply duplicate this row first of all, and after that the idea is to delete the first 3 services from the second row so that there will be only 3 columns left. So no issue, let me simply delete these, and for the top one, let's delete the last 3 services. Okay, as you can see over here, amazing. Let me simply publish the page and it will now look better and professional. Amazing. Let me refresh the page and check this out. This has been fixed. So this is how you can simply fix this kind of small issues on our website. Okay, so let me now put the image over here. As you can see, let me scroll down. This is an image element and it's completely native Elementor elements, and we can simply put our image over here. So I have already downloaded an image into the vertical format to be pasted over here. So I am gonna upload that, and let's simply click on the select button and our image has been updated, and as you can see over here, it's looking amazing. Okay, so this is how you can simply do all the editings very easily. For this section, reviews, what customers say, I wanna make it centered, so let's check this structure. Okay, I think we need to add a new flex box over here with the vertical orientation for the columns. No issue, let me simply add that flex box. After that, let me simply copy this element and let me simply paste this into the flex box. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat the same process for this title, what customers say as well. Okay, so let me simply do that as well, and after pasting, the title has been centered and we need to just make this text centered as well. So this is how you can simply do this using Elementor elements. Amazing. So I have deleted the upper row and now it's looking amazing. Great. So now let's scroll down and let's see if we can find any more issues. Okay, so I just found one more. As you can see, the icons is in blue color, but it's definitely not matching our branding. So let me simply go to this icon list and after that click on style and let's go to icon section and change its color to white. Okay, so it will basically match our branding more relevantly. Amazing, right? So we are done with it, and it's definitely looking much better now. So let me simply publish this page and let's verify the changes by refreshing our website, and let's verify. Amazing. As you can see, everything is looking completely optimized, organized now. Okay, so as you can see, the map is looking awesome. The testimonial section is looking good, the icons are looking good, and everything else. So this is how you can simply convert image inspiration into a fully working WordPress Elementor website, which is fully editable using native WordPress Elementor widgets. Okay, if you wanna know how can you make a multi-page website, then do let me know in the comments. I will most probably make a new video on that particular topic as well, and I have already made one, so I will make sure to put that video link into the description as well. If you guys want to check that out, then make sure to check that out as well. Okay, please like this video, comment on this video, share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.